Let's solve few problems on substitution now. All right, look at the first one. Integral of x by x square plus 1, right? Now, denominator, take it as t. Okay, so take x square plus 1 as t. Remember, you can choose any of the methods, method 1 or method 2. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to use the first method, go ahead and do it, or the second method, go ahead and do it. So here you have x square plus 1, 2x dx is equal to dt, or x dx is equal to half dt, right? Substitute this one. That means integral of half dt divided by t, which gives us half log t. Substitute t back. This gives us half log of 1 plus x square, right? Now substitute the value of x. So what are the limits? 0 to 1, right? So we have from 0 to 1. So substitute, you have half log of 1 plus 1. So basically you have log 2 minus log of 1. Log 1 is anyway 0. So the answer is going to be half log 2, or you can say log of root 2, but generally we keep it as it is. So half log 2. This is the answer for the first one. All right. Now we'll move on to the next question. See the second one. You have sine inverse of this one, correct? So first we need to do substitution. That means what we'll do, we need to simplify that. Take x is equal to tan theta, a simple one. So we are going to have sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is sine inverse of sine 2 theta, correct? So answer is going to be just 2 theta. So what is theta? Tan inverse of x. So we call this as 2 tan inverse x, isn't it? So what happened to the integral now? Integral is I is equal to 2 times tan inverse of x from 0 to 1. Here you have to use parts, isn't it? So you have to use parts. After using parts, you guys will get the answer. So what do we do now? Just 2 tan inverse of x, correct? 0 to 1. Let's integrate it separately and let's gonna do it, all right? Or directly you can do it. See, that is 0 into 1, correct? 0 to 1 is the limit. Tan inverse of x into 1. So what is the first function? This is u, this is v, right? So you are going to have I is equal to 2 times, before that, tan inverse of x into integral of x, sorry, integral of dx 1 minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into integral of dx, correct? So this is going to be 2 times x tan inverse of x minus integral of x by 1 plus x square, isn't it? Now, see, forget about the first part, that is the x tan inverse of x. Let's concentrate on the second part, because here we have to do the substitution one more time. If you look at this question, don't you think they're one and the same? So the same type of substitution we need to do here. All right. So let's do the substitution part now. See, you have integral of x by 1 plus x square, right? So take 1 plus x square as t. So 2x dx is dt, right? So you are going to get x dx is equal to half dt. So integral of half dt divided by t, or you can say half log t, right? or this is going to be half log of 1 plus x square, isn't it? So what do we have for the final integral? I is equal to 2 times x tan inverse of x minus half log of 1 plus x square, correct? And what are the limits? Limit is from 0 to 1. Fair enough? So we took the integral and we split it. Once you split the integral, for the first part, you just do normal part. Then for the second one, you're going to do substitution, right? Now apply the limit. Now when you apply, I is equal to, so in this case, 2 times, put x as 1. 1 into tan inverse 1 minus half log of 1 plus 1, isn't it? Now minus, now the lower limit, minus of 0 into tan inverse of 0 minus half log of 1 plus 0, isn't it? So this is what we have. Now 0 into tan inverse of 0, this gets cancelled because that's 0. Minus half log 1 is still 0. This also gets cancelled. So the negative part, everything gets cancelled, isn't it? So what do we have now? I is equal to 2 times tan inverse of 1 pi by 4 minus half log 2, isn't it? Multiply. So we get I is equal to pi by 2 minus log 2. So the final answer is this, pi by 2 minus log of 2. Fine. So this is the answer for the second question. Now we'll move on. We'll go to the next one. See the third question. Now here you have integral sin x by 1 plus cos square x, right? So you have integral of sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Now what we'll do, this is 0 to pi by 2. Now what we'll do, we'll take cos of x as t, substitution. So we have minus sin x dx is equal to dt, or sin x dx is equal to minus dt, right? Now let's do the limit also. Now when x is equal to 0, so cos of 0 is how much? 1. So t is equal to 1. When x is equal to pi by 2, what is cos pi by 2? 0. So t is equal to 0. So now what do we have? The same integral changes to integral of, so when x is 0, this is 1 to 0. Next, minus dt by 1 plus t square, correct? So this is going to be minus tan inverse t. Now limit 1 to 0, isn't it? This is going to be minus of tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 1. So this is going to be minus of 0 minus pi by 4. See, minus of minus pi by 4. So answer is what? Just pi by 4. So answer for the third one is going to be very simple. It's just pi by 4. Fair enough? So this is the answer for the third question. Now we'll move on to the next one. That is the fourth one. See the fourth one. Integral 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5 from minus 1 to 1. Do the whole square in the denominator. Alright. So you have x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we compare this with a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So here you have a value is x, 2ab is equal to 2x, isn't it? So if you take it out, b value is going to become 1 because a is x, correct? So 2 and 2 cancels out. So what do we get? You have x square plus 2x plus 5. This is nothing but x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. Or if you group it together like this much, if you group it together, you have x plus 1 whole square plus 4 2 square, right? So what do we have now? Integral 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square from -1 to 1, right? So this is the final part. Now we have to integrate this one, right? Now what do we do? Substitute. Take x plus 1 as t. So dx is equal to dt. Basically the numerator is dx, isn't it? Now let's do the substitution of the limit also. Suppose if x is equal to -1, then t is 0, right? Suppose if x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 2, right? So the integral changes from 0 to 2 dt divided by t square plus 2 square, correct? So you have I is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2. And what are the limits? 0 to 2. Substitute half tan inverse of 2 divided by 2, correct? 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So this is going to be half of pi by 4. So final answer is pi by 8. Pi by 8 is going to be the final answer. So these are certain types of problems what we have discussed on substitution in definite integral. Correct? So in the next one, you're going to learn about properties of definite integral, which is a very, very important part. We'll discuss those in the next video.